Uptown Swing.
Level 4.
Brian.
Val. It's what you need.
Yeah, it's what you need. We've kind of like worked on moves where you end up in a weird position, but it is fine because followers are okay continuing that way.
Yeah, you said you wanted to talk about a nice, calm, quiet connection.
Yeah, Brian told you about his theory of cylinder.
Yep. If you missed it, sorry. We started with a circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. Boom.
How does it work? We don't know. It's magic. We talked about it.
It's all about the timing, and it's all about only leading when you need to, leaders.
Yeah. Then
we did this little thing, this little wrap
with
up.
walks.
Hey. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That one is all walks, and then we did this triple steppy version.
Boom. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey. And then we did this yo-yo thing.
Yeah.
Hey. And wee. Let's show that one the other way too. Boom. Hey. That side and wee. And that's what we did.